So for 413 divided by 5, we just learned on the previous example that 5, or the bottom number, or the that the 5 is the divisor, and the divisor always goes on the outside. So let's continue going down. Does 5 go into 4? 0 times. Does 5 go into 41? Yes. 5 times 8 is 40, with a 1 remainder. So now we need to bring down this 3. Does 5 go into 13? Yes. Twice, which is 10, with a 3 remainder. Uh-oh, we ran out of we ran out of digits. So we need to bring down these imaginary zeros. Does 5 go into 30? Yes, it does. How many times? Goes in 6. 5 times 6 is 30. And that leaves you with a 0 remainder. Or that leaves you at, that leaves you now finishing at 0. So therefore, 413 divided by 5 would equal 82.6. Which will equal 82 and 6/10.